And Governor Perry's legal team is pushing back. Today, they strongly defended Perry's actions that led a grand jury to indict him Friday for abuse of power and coercion of a public servant. This comes after Perry vetoed $7.5 million in state funds earmarked for the Travis County District Attorney's Office last year, following DA Rosemary Lemberg's refusal to resign after a DWI conviction. Mark Wiggins has the latest from Austin.
Stone-faced attorneys for Governor Rick Perry unanimously characterized the two felony indictments as
both outrageous and inexplicable.
This is nothing more than banana republic politics. The charges leveled against the governor are a really nasty attack.
Perry is accused of abuse of official capacity and coercion by promising to veto state funds for the Travis County Public Integrity Unit unless District Attorney Rosemary Lemberg resigned. Today, Perry's legal team turned the focus on Lemberg and the drunk driving conviction that sparked the feud.
Play the tape, please. Anybody who sees that tape and understands that conduct would have lost confidence in the Travis County District Attorney. When Governor Perry saw that tape, he, of course, lost confidence in her, and rightly, as was his right, vetoed that line item.
Yet the veto itself is not in question. It's whether Perry wielded it to coerce Lemberg to resign, and in doing so, broke the law.
And there's no evidence that that ever happened, but had it happened, he would have been entirely within his rights under the First Amendment and the Texas Constitution.
Texas Democratic Party Executive Director Will Haler argues the issue wasn't about Perry's lack of confidence in Lemberg, but her office's investigations into potential cronyism.
It was forcing out a public official that was the coercion and the abuse of power. And the reason why he was trying to do it was she was digging too deep.
Haler suggests evidence of that could emerge in court.
The governor is trying to put someone else on trial, right? The governor is trying to shift the blame to someone else instead of taking responsibility for his own actions. I don't think that we would be standing here today with a governor with 2 felony indictments if there wasn't something wrong that happened with the governor.
What we have not seen is any proof of that whatsoever.
Perry's lead attorney, Tony Busby, maintains Perry had a duty to remove the embattled prosecutor.
The point is, he doesn't have to tell you any reason why he vetoed the bill. He did so because it was good government, because he is responsive to the people.
That was Mark Wiggins reporting. Defense attorneys can file a motion to have the indictment thrown out, which would delay a trial or seek to have a trial within the next 90 days. CNN has reported an arrest warrant was not issued for Perry, so he will not be required to turn himself in for a mugshot and fingerprinting. And Lemberg's DWI arrest and videos from that night have already been in the spotlight in Travis County, and now her past is taking stage for a national audience. Over the weekend, Perry said he stands by his decision to cut off funding for the Public Integrity Unit since he lost confidence in Lemberg to lead it, and she refused to step down. He even pointed to the video of the district attorney from the night of her arrest and said the public will agree she's not fit to head up that office. Local political experts say Perry is looking to deflect the attention from his charges to her.
This case, of course, has gotten national media attention, and it's being pushed out in many ways by the Perry campaign. So the Perry campaign sent out emails over the weekend with links to the YouTube video in an effort to frame this discussion for a national audience.
It's just embarrassing. She's already said that she can't justify her behavior. She's already said that she's not running for re-election. She knows what she did was wrong, and she has been punished, and she's gone to rehab, and she's faced this removal suit and won. And so she's there to stay to the end of her term.
The district attorney's office has not released a statement since Perry's indictment Friday. Evidence of the case won't be seen in public until it goes to trial. Until then, Henskin says it's difficult to make judgment on the case or fully understand how Lemberg's arrest and behavior will weigh in.